This is a home health tracker. Patients, caregivers, a full visit schedule, and a dashboard that updates itself. The front end was built in Base44. Every record you are looking at lives in Knack. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to connect the two, and you will not write a single line of code or copy a single API key. Let's get started. You need a Base44 account, a Knack account, and your Knack login. That is the email and password you use for your Knack dashboard. One note, since we are building healthcare solutions, everything here is made up sample data. If your app will ever hold real patient information, you need a Knack HIPAA plan first. Link in the description for more details. In Base44, find your settings by clicking your workspace name and icon in the bottom left. Then find and click MCP Connections. Then add Custom MCP. Once open, name it Knack MCP. Paste in the Knack server address shown on screen, and this can be found in our KB documentation. Choose OAuth, then click Authorize and Add. A Knack window opens, sign in, approve, and done. That's the whole connection, and it only has to happen once for your entire account. Now, just describe what you want. Here's the prompt I used. Build is done. Now open Knack and look at what it actually made. This takes 30 seconds and it saves you an afternoon. Admins, patients, and caregivers should each show the person icon, which means they are user role tables. Then open visits and confirm it connects to both caregivers and patients. You can now continue to chat to build, and once you're done, you can publish. Base44 hosts it, so you can get a real link right away with nothing else to set up. A custom app, 3 roles, and real data security. The full written guide with every screen and a troubleshooting section is linked below. Happy knacking!